Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating every recurring payment, open your bank and main credit card statements, and scan the last 12 months. Once done, make a single checklist with merchant names, amounts, billing dates, and the account or card used. You need logins or the last 4 digits for each source. Make sure to flag any payments tied to autopay on utilities, loans, or subscriptions so you can cancel those first and avoid missed bills or surprise collections. Now you cancel directly with each merchant. Go to billing or subscription settings and hit cancel, then save the confirmation. If that option isn't available, contact support by chat or phone and get a written acknowledgement. Once you have denials, revoke the stored card on their profile or call your bank to stop future charges. Make sure to ask for a stop payment or card reissue. Keep screenshots and confirmation numbers in your checklist for dispute use if charges recur. Finish by monitoring the next 1 or 2 statements and verify no new recurring charges appear. If you see a charge after cancellation, dispute it immediately with your bank or file a chargeback with your card issuer and attach the merchant confirmation. Make sure to send a final cancellation request in writing, email, or certified mail, and keep the return receipt. If cancellations fail repeatedly, escalate to your bank's fraud team or regulator. This step protects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.